All right, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand sanitizer at home. All right, the first thing that you're going to need is some essential oil. This is optional. If you do not like scents, you do not need to use essential oil. All right, right here I have eucalyptus. All right, 100% pure. Set this to the side. Next, you're going to need a container to pour it in. This right here is a 3-ounce container. You can pour the solution that I'm going to be making for you into several of these containers, so you might want to grab a couple of these. You're going to need a measuring cup. Right here I have a measuring cup that measures up to 1 cup, actually a little bit more, but it only shows up to 1 cup. You're going to need isopropyl alcohol. This is 91% right here. All right, and then you are going to need aloe vera gel. This right here is dye-free. All right, no scent to it. This is what I typically like to use. All right, so let's get started. So you're going to take the aloe vera, all right, and you're going to open it up. All right, this right here is a pump. I'm not going to be using that. So I'm just going to take the aloe vera, and then I'm going to put 2/3 cup of aloe vera inside of the measuring cup. All right, so squeeze it on out. If you have a larger bottle, it might be a little bit easier to put it in here. All right, so I have 2/3 cup in here. All right, just level it out to make sure you have 2/3 cup and right on the dot. Perfect. Next, you're going to add the eucalyptus. I like to add this next. You're going to add up to 8 drops of eucalyptus inside of here. So I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, 8 of those. And then I'm going to take the isopropyl alcohol, 91%, and then I'm going to put 1/3, all right, cup of isopropyl alcohol in here. And the way I can measure this is that it's already at 2/3 right here, so that means I only have 1/3 to go. So I'm going to take it all the way up to 1 cup right here. So I'm going to take this and I am going to pour it in here. It looks like the cap is on, so I'm going to take the cap off. Safety seal. All right, fresh bottle. Smell it, fresh. Don't smell it. Please don't smell this, all right? So I'm going to put in 1/3 cup, and so it's going to measure to 1/3 cup right here. All right, and as you can see, I'm going to put this to the side. You see it comes all the way up to 1 cup now. And then I'm going to take this and stir this. Stir the mixture up. Make sure the alcohol mixes in well with the aloe vera. All right, it's going to take a little bit of process because the solutions are a little bit different. All right, I'm going to mix it in a little bit. And I added 8 to 10 drops. If you like a stronger scent, sometimes some people add a little bit more drops to it. If you like less, it's up to you. You can add less. And some people just don't like any of the scents whatsoever. It's starting to smell a little bit fresh. I'm actually going to put a little bit more in here because I like a stronger eucalyptus scent. So I'm going to put a couple more drops in here. All right. And then I'm just going to mix that all around. Again, it's going to come to a different looking texture, but that's okay. It's going to smooth out eventually. All right, so it smells fresh like eucalyptus right now. It's mixed in well. Make sure you get all the alcohol in there, mixed in well from the bottom. Now we're here. All right, so I'm going to take this and then open up my bottle, 3-ounce bottle, and then it's going to be kind of tricky, okay? It's going to be kind of tricky to get this in here. So if you have some sort of like syringe tube, you can probably try to do that. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to pour it in here. All right. Pour it in here. It's a little tricky. And if this does not work, for you, you can simply take another jar right here. I have this jar right here. It's a dispenser. And I'm just going to pour this in there just like that. All right. Pour it all in there and then make sure you get all of it out. So take the spoon. All right. Get the spoon in there. All right. And then once you have it in there, close up the jar. these things are cool right here. It's a mason jar right here. And dispense it in your hands like this. All right, pretty cool. And remember the container that I was using right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and just fill this one up. And I'm gonna use this, take this to work, take this to church, take this to the gym, wherever you want to go. You have a to-go container. Right up. All right, and that's how you make your own hand sanitizer. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.